when we get the vaccine, yeah, the vaccine, remember, may be inactivated parts or pieces of COVID, yes, or may be genetically modified pieces of COVID. So when those pieces get into the body, okay, the body's cells will then identify this as foreign, yeah, so that the cells will tell themselves to produce more proteins, more antibodies to fight that particular element, those pieces that you've injected in, okay? So when those pieces are fought at that point, antibodies are formed, yes? And when the antibodies are formed, the body will go into a recess. Now that recess is like waiting. Any time of attack, the body will know what to do, okay? Because it has formed its antibodies, they're like soldiers, yeah? So that any time that COVID comes, anytime that the person is exposed, you remember we are part of the frontliners, anytime we get exposed to those proteins or those elements of COVID, then the body will recall or will recognize these bits as similar to the pieces that were introduced before, so that the antibodies can then fight those particular elements, and with the fight, they'll suppress the COVID, and then we get mild disease. So it will be unlikely for a person who is vaccinated to get severe disease. I hope that is clear.
So, are you trying to say that those pieces are actually the virus itself?
That is why we had this slide.
Yeah,
some of them are bits of virus, some of them are genetically.
So, what is the probability that the body will not be able to produce those antibodies that will fight it? Like, what's the probability that the body can fail to fight the vaccine?
Or that the body will fail to generate immunity?
Yeah.
What is the probability? I may not tell the exact probability of the body not generating immunity, because God in his wisdom made our bodies recognize foreign and be able to fight, especially with viruses. That is why you get flu and you get over it, your body fights. So the percentage of inability to generate immunity, I may not tell in exact numbers,